Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add the velocity effects to your videos in CapCut PC. So you don't need to spend hours manually cutting clips to the beat. Here I'm going to show you how you can use the auto velocity AI tool and the new CapCut PC effects in here. So what you need to do is just add your clips and also the music to the CapCut PC timeline. Now you can just click on the clip and go to the speed options at the top, and in here you'll find the velocity effects tab. So there are 5 kinds of velocity effects that you can select it, but here if you're only using CapCut for free, then you only have one option, the flash velocity. And if you're using the pro one, there are other such as the blur shake, fade blur, retro zoom, and also rainbow. Here I'm gonna just use the flash one in here. So click on the velocity effects that you want, and after that it will be processing in here. You'll see the progress here. So you need to make sure that you add both the clips and also the musics, because it needs music to be able to use this velocity effects. So let's just wait. Okay, so the velocity effects is done, and here is how it will look like. So as you guys can see, the music is marked automatically, and let's just play the result. So this is the velocity effect for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. So I'll see you in the next one.